Hello everyone, in this video I will show you how to complete your first assignment for this semester. So what you have to do is just go to your LaGuardia account. So you will have to type LAGCC and then you press enter. Then you will have to select the one that it says My LaGuardia Student Portal, as you can see here. If you don't see it, you can just click the first one. But either way, it will take you to your LaGuardia account. So I'm gonna click this one, My LaGuardia Student Portal. So try to scroll down to look for this link and then you click it. So once you do that, you will have to type your username and your password. And you can see the instructions over here. Your username is usually your first name, that, last name, and your password is your 8-digit CUNY first ID and the last 2 digits of your birth year. So as you can see here, I already got into my LaGuardia account. So you will have to scroll down and then you will see the e-tools. And also you can see your advisor in this section. Keep in mind this section because in the following classes you will require to make an appointment with your advisor. So you can just start doing it now or you can just wait until your SSM will tell you to do that. So now let's focus in e-tools. You will see 8 icons. Today we are gonna focus in email, so you will have to click it. Then it will take you to your LaGuardia email, so you will have to write it here and then your password. So remember, if you don't know how to write your LaGuardia email, it's the same as your username. It's pretty similar. You will have to write your first name, that, last name, at, live, that, LAGCC, that, CUNY, that, edu. Then you click next, and then you will have to write your password. Then click sign in, and you can choose either of these. It doesn't really matter. So I'm just gonna click yes. Then you will have to click Outlook. Remember, Outlook. You click Outlook, and then you will have access to your LaGuardia email. You will probably don't see my emails because this is private. So once you're here, what you have to do is just go and click new message. You click it, and then you will see to CC, add a subject, and then you can just write an email over here. So now in to you will have to write the email of your SSM or SSMs, and in CC you will have to write the email of your professor. Then in subject you will have to write the class and the code, and then you will have to write your email. So you can just start with hello professor, and then the name of the professor. Then you can just type I hope this email found you well. This is to show respect to your professor. And then you can just start writing my name is, then my major is, and then something about you, like a hobby or maybe introduce yourself. You can just write something about why did you choose this major. So you can just write it in one sentence, you don't have to write too much. And then you just finish with saying thank you. And that's it. This is simple. Hello professor, the name of the professor. I hope this email finds you well. My name is your name. My major is your major. And then in one sentence you write something about you. As I said, you can just write a hobby or maybe share why do you chose your major. And then you write thank you. So it's important from now on that you must write a proper email. And what I mean by proper, you will have to start an email with hello professor, then with a sentence showing respect by saying I hope this email finds you well, then my name is, my major is, and then you conclude your email with a thank you. That is pretty simple. So in subject you will have to write the code for this class. So I'm gonna type a fake code. So for example HSF 90.999, and then you can add Studio Award Lab. So remember, in 2 you will have to write the email of your SSM or SSMs, and in CC, the email of your instructor or your professor. Then you will have to click send, and that will be the completion of the first assignment. Thank you.